Hey Juice, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool unboxing here, and basically what these are some bags from the Gucci brand. I believe this is one of the limited edition bags that they do have every winter, but this one is for this year's. If you can see, it actually looks pretty nice. So inside this bag I do have two different products, but I'm actually opening this up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So the first one that we got right here is a smaller box. But you can see this is basically what the packaging looks like when you guys do get in. I believe for the packaging of the box it is limited edition as well for like the winter season. So here is the first one. And then right here I do have the second one. And for both of these products I purchased it in my trip recently to Italy. So for those of you guys who don't know, when you guys do purchase it from like Italy, it's actually much cheaper than buying in the States. But let's open up both of these to show you guys what it actually looks like inside in terms of the bag that we do have. So let's start with the small one right here first. Let's take out the ribbon and let's open it up. So right off the bat, you can see for the packaging or the box is actually pretty cool. It is magnetic. So definitely give you guys that luxury kind of packaging right here. But if you guys do open up, here is basically what the inside looks like. So inside we do have the little bag to hold the bag inside with the iconic logo right here or the brand name Gucci. And let's open this up. Once you guys do open up, this is basically what the product looks like. If you can see, the packaging definitely looks pretty nice when you guys do get it, especially if you guys get the brand new one. And if you guys are curious about the name of this bag, they call it the Horsebit 1955. And this is basically a shoulder bag option, which is a small version. I believe they also have it available in a bigger version, but we do have the small one right here. So first I'm actually take off all the wrappers on here to show you guys a better point of view of what the product looks like. Alright, so you guys want to strap this on together because this part right here is adjustable. So I'll just use the first one for now. And you guys want to slide this through this part right here to hold it in place. So for this strap option, they do have a bunch of holes where you guys adjust it if you guys do need to. But once you guys do set it up, this is basically what the bag looks like. And you see the design of the bag definitely looks pretty nice. They have a bunch of these iconic logo on here or patterns that give you guys that kind of Hello Kitty design. And when you guys do feel materials on here, it definitely feels like a high quality material or high quality fabric. And this part right here is leather, and throughout the bag itself it is leather as well. So this part's leather, here's leather, the strap is leather, bottom part is leather, the side is leather, and etc. And for the strap option, you don't have the option to take it out if you can see how it's stitched on. But for the front part right here, they do have a very nice design as well. And if you guys do open up, you basically have this compartment inside right here for you to put stuff if you guys do want to. And this part right here is magnetic, so we have to close it. And you see how it closes by itself, which is really convenient. But pretty much inside right here is pretty spacious for you to put small stuff inside, maybe like your phone, your wallet or something. And when you guys do feel materials inside, it definitely feels really soft and very smooth. So that way when you guys put stuff inside right here, it won't get scratched. So that is basically what the front part looks like. Now let's open the inside. So when you guys do open the zipper right here, it definitely feels pretty easy. It's probably not like the easiest zipper that I used so far, but definitely feels much more high quality than a lot of other zippers out there in the market. But if you guys do take the stuff out inside, there's 3 protection layers inside. But once you guys do take it out, you can see the inside is actually very spacious for you to put a lot of stuff inside. So you definitely can put like your wallet, your phone, your passport, your power bank, or anything else inside. Like for example, I do have my phone right here. If you guys do put it inside, it just goes in there so easily. And you see inside right here, they do have a little zipper compartment for you to put stuff inside right here. So we have to open it. The pocket inside is pretty deep for you guys to put a good amount of stuff inside. Maybe like your coins, your keys, and etc. And inside that pocket, they do give you guys a bunch of this paper. I believe it's like the warranty and instruction manual to teach you guys how to maintain a product. But same thing for the inside right here, you can see the material that's inside. It's the same as the front one that I just showed you guys. That feels really soft and very smooth. So that way when you guys put stuff inside right here, it won't get scratched. But I definitely love how spacious the product is inside. So that I can put a lot of stuff inside. So that is basically everything that's on the bag. If you guys close it back up, this is basically what the product looks like. So the cool thing about this bag is the fact that you do have different ways to use it. One way is for you guys to use it as a handbag like this, or the other way is for you guys to use the shoulder strap option. So if you guys do put on like this, you definitely have the option to use like that if you guys do want to. Or if you guys go like this, you guys can also use it as a crossbody bag like this as well. You can see it definitely looks pretty nice when you guys do put it on. And I just love the design of the product a lot. It gives you guys that very nice look to it with the leather material on here, but also still give you guys that very nice kind of Gucci design that's on here. Especially for like the design or the pattern like I mentioned right here in the front. And not only does the pattern stand out, but that gold material that's on here actually stands out a lot as well. For this part right here and also for like the zipper and etc. So that is basically what the first one looks like. Now let me show you the other one as well. So here we do have the next one. If you guys do open up, same thing for this one when you guys do open up. it is magnetic as well. But once you guys do open up, this is basically what the inside looks like. So if you guys do take it out, if you guys do open up, once you guys do take it out, you can see the product is all nicely wrapped up, and the material that's on here definitely feels a lot more high quality than the other one. So first, I'm actually take off this wrapper on here to give you guys a better point of view of what the product looks like. So the way how I do it, you basically want to unbuckle this part right here because it is removable, since they do give you guys 2 straps for this one. So once you guys take that out, let's take off the strap. And you basically want to just pull this part out. Very easy and very simple. Once you guys do take it out, you guys can put it back together. So I don't clip it back on. Once you guys clip it back on, this is basically what the bag looks like. So you see the way how they designed the strap for the bag is actually very high quality. They use like this high quality Supreme canvas material. And you guys can see right here, they do have like the Gucci name on there, which is pretty cool. But when you guys do feel material that's on the strap, it definitely feels really nice. And this part right here is a leather material. And for this part right here is like a gold material. And the cool thing about this bag, like I mentioned, give you guys 2 straps. Before I show you guys the other one, I do want to put this on to show you guys what it looks like first. So when you do put it on, this is one way for you guys to put it on. And for this strap, you do have the option to adjust it to make it longer or shorter based on your own preference. So just like this, very easy and very simple. Just pull it one way. So whether if you guys want to use like a shoulder strap like this, or if you guys want to go like this, to use it as a crossbody bag option, you definitely have the option available, which is pretty cool. And when you guys do put it on, it definitely looks pretty nice. You can see right here, and actually feels pretty comfortable as well. I love how this part right here stands out a lot, so that way people can see what kind of bag you guys do have, since it is Gucci. And when you guys do look at the overall bag right here, it actually looks pretty nice as well. They do have this iconic fabric on here, and they do have the very nice patterns throughout the bag as well. They give you guys that same kind of Hello Kitty design with the little bow design. And right here in front, we do have the Gucci logo. And you guys can see for the size of the bag, it is pretty small. I think this one's actually slightly smaller than the other one. Like if you guys do put it side by side, it's just a little bit smaller. But right here is basically what the bag looks like in the front. Here is the bottom, here is the side, and then right here is the back. If you guys do open up, this part right here is also magnetic as well. So once you guys do let go, it closes in place real easy. If it's in here, when you guys do close it, it just snaps on really well to give you guys that luxury feeling when you guys do use it. But basically for this bag, there's 2 compartments, one right here and one right here. If you guys do open the first one, if you see the zipper that's on here, definitely glides really smoothly, and it is very high quality. But inside right here, we do have a first compartment for you to put a good amount of stuff inside. Let me see if it fits the iPhone 14 Pro Max. So for the iPhone 14 Pro Max, it will not fit into this one. So you probably want to put like smaller stuff inside, like your keys and etc. But the same thing for this one, when you guys feel the fabric inside, it definitely has a very nice fabric that's very soft and won't scratch anything when you guys put it inside. But it definitely feels that high quality leather on here as well. That I believe is like the calfskin leather. But once you're done, you can close it back up. And now let's open the other one. So when you guys open the other one, you can see there's a lot of stuff inside as well. Let's take it all out. So inside right here, you can see they do give you guys the other strap option. And inside right here, they do give you guys another bag. And this bag is basically for this strap option right here that they already set up for me. But right here, we do have the strap. If you guys do take it out, this strap right here is a much more simple design. So that way it doesn't really stand out as much. So if you guys are someone who is actually very simple and you guys don't want to stand out too much like this, you guys definitely have the option to adjust it, which I'll show you guys what it looks like in a second. But basically this side right here is where you guys want to unbuckle it to actually set up, which I'll show you guys in a second. And then here is the buckle part for you guys to adjust it, so that way to make it tighter or looser based on your own preference, which is different than what you guys use right here to actually make it tighter or looser. If you guys take out the other stuff inside, here is basically what the inside looks like. So same thing for this one inside, you see it's actually very spacious for you to put a lot of stuff inside. So if you guys can put your phone inside, or if you guys can put like a power bank, your wallet, or anything else inside, it will fit inside right there. This compartment inside is actually much bigger than what you guys see in the front one right here. But if you guys can see inside right here, they do have another compartment for you to put stuff inside right here, similar to the other one that I just showed you guys as well. But inside right here, they also give you guys the same paper in terms of the warranty and how to maintain the product, etc. But basically for that small little zipper compartment inside, it's actually very spacious for you to put a lot of stuff inside, like your keys, or coins, maybe a credit card, etc. But once you're done, you can zip it up. And the same thing for the material inside right here, it definitely feels really soft and very smooth when you guys do feel it. Same as the other bag, and same for the inside right here as well. But once you're done, you can zip it up. And close this part back up as well. And it's all set. So that is basically what the outside and the inside of the bag looks like. Now I'll take off the strap and show you guys what the other strap looks like when you guys do put it on. So what I'm going to do is just take this part out. Same thing for other side. Once you guys take it out, now you put the other one. So I just want to open it up. And I want to slide this in. And slide it through right here. And just push it in, just like this. Take your time when you guys do it. Once you guys got it in, this brush looks like on this side. Now let's do the same thing for our side. Once you guys got it on, you guys want to adjust this part right here as well. So what I don't do is slide it through until you get to the first hole or any of the other holes you're going to use. Push this part right here through this part. And you just want to strap this part on to hold it in place. And it's all set with that part. So if you guys were to put this on, this is basically what the bag looks like with this strap. So if you guys want to use a shoulder strap, this is basically what the product looks like. Or if you don't carry like a handbag, you definitely have the option as well. And if you guys go like this, you definitely have the option to use as a crossbody bag as well. So those are different options available when you guys do put it on. If you see, it definitely looks pretty nice. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for both of these bags, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys in the market looking for a high quality luxury leather bag. Whether if you guys like this design or if you guys like this design, that is totally up to you guys. But if you guys want my honest opinion in terms of which one's the better option to go for, I do have to say that this Ophidia GG Mini shoulder bag is a lot better than this one because of first, the overall design, and also number two is the fact that how they do give you guys a shoulder strap option that you do have the option change. Whether if you guys like this design or if you guys like this one, that is totally up to you guys. But both of them are pretty worth it. But then obviously if those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't want these, obviously don't buy one and save your money something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.